This is the reality inside a government hospital in India's capital, New Delhi, battling the country's growing COVID-19 crisis. Daily infections in India crossed 200,000 on Thursday, according to official data, making it the highest anywhere in the world.
A new surge of COVID-19 cases in the US Midwest threatens to overwhelm hospitals, and that includes the new Roseland Hospital on the far south side of Chicago.
Because all my NPs are out.
For those operating in the hospital's COVID testing clinic, they're seeing long lines each and every day.
There are too many dead to cope with right now in parts of the Indian capital, and they're piled up in vehicles outside. The coronavirus rules mean this is where most relatives have to say goodbye. It's massively distressing and hugely undignified. They're working all hours inside. They just can't stop. And it's been like this for the last 2 weeks, all day and all night.
Morgan's work has launched more than 100 years of study because these questions, how do you duplicate a chromosome? How do you accurately transmit a chromosome? What happens when chromosome integrity or chromosome structure becomes perturbed? These are really active areas of research that are of direct medical relevance.
Those areas of research owe an incalculable debt to Morgan's 100-year-old discovery, enshrined in the dusty annals of early 20th century genetics.
Coronaviruses invade cells through so-called spike proteins. The spike protein is the major surface protein that binds to a receptor, which acts like a doorway into a human cell. Once the spike protein and the surface of the human cell membrane fuse together, the genome of the virus is able to enter the human cell and begin infection.
As viruses multiply, they change. And the same is happening to the coronavirus.
All viruses mutate, and that is to be expected.
Scientists have been tracking those mutations while following coronavirus's journey around the world. Some of the mutations help the virus to spread, others do nothing at all. But as coronavirus multiplies and changes, could it also become more deadly?
How do we get infected with the coronavirus? Japanese researchers have used a supercomputer to simulate how viral particles move. Their findings show how far even the smallest droplets can spread, and how masks, social distancing and humidity impact the spread of COVID-19. Their research suggests that the use of humidifiers may help limit infections indoors during times when regular ventilation isn't possible. Until vaccines are widely available, doctors suggest sticking to the 3 W's. Watch your distance, wash your hands, and wear a mask.
But if you say no, you don't. What did you say? Not bad words? No. Not funny. It's not funny.
Uh-oh.
It's not funny, I said. What did you say? Not funny? Yes. It's not funny.